Do you ever think grinding your teeth is harmless? Just a small stress habit that doesn't really matter? Some people think it only wears teeth down a little and stops when stress fades. But the truth might surprise you. So here's what really happened. I'll tell you. But if you don't want this to happen to your mouth, hit like, subscribe, and share this fact. In reality, every time you grind, your teeth press together with strong force, slowly thinning the hard outer layer. And once that layer is gone, it doesn't grow back, leaving the inside more sensitive to heat, cold, and pressure. That's it. But how many times did I say teeth?